Welcome to the Solis Cloud service. This video will demonstrate how to bind and unbind data loggers. Bind data logger. Please open the Solis Cloud application. On the main interface of the app, please select and enter the power station you have created. Please click Device. Then click on the data logger to view its information. In the center of the screen, click on the option to add a data logger. Now, you can scan the QR code on the data logger's SN label, or manually enter the device serial number to add your data logger. After entering the data logger's device serial number, click OK in the upper right corner to complete the binding of the data logger. Unbind data logger. Now click to enter the power station that is bound to the data logger. And you will see that your data logger has been successfully added. Select the data logger you have added. Click on dot in the upper right corner. And select Unbind the data logger to proceed with the unbinding operation of the data logger. Now, a prompt will appear on the screen asking if you want to unbind the data logger. Click Remove to confirm the unbinding. Next, you can choose to reserve or delete the inverter under the data logger, and the return to the data logger page. Thank you for choosing Solis. We wish you a pleasant experience.